Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Relearning a glow plug control module without a scan tool is a simple task you can do at home. This manual process helps your truck's computer recognize new hardware for better cold starts. First, ensure your batteries are fully charged because low voltage ruins the process. Turn off all lights and the radio to save power. Start by disconnecting both negative battery cables. Wait at least 30 minutes for the electrical system to drain completely. Some technicians touch the disconnected cables together to clear the memory faster. Next, reconnect your batteries and tighten the terminals. Insert your key and turn it to the run position without starting the engine. Watch the glow plug light on your dashboard. Once the light turns off, turn the key back to the off position. You must repeat this key cycle 3 times in total. This allows the engine control unit to sync with the new module. On the 4th cycle, start the engine and let it idle. Do not press the gas pedal during this time. Let the truck run for 10 minutes so the computer can calibrate the heat cycles. If the check engine light stays off, your relearn was successful. This method works for most major diesel brands like Powerstroke, Duramax, and Cummins engines. It is a great way to save money on expensive shop fees. Always check your fuses if the module still does not respond correctly. Following these simple steps ensures your diesel engine starts smoothly in cold weather. Your vehicle is now completely ready for the road with its newly calibrated glow plug control module.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.